Professor Liu is going to show you how to do SAM Access Module 4, Project 1A, Global Human Resource Consultant. First of all, we are going to save this file to 2. I already have 2, so I'm going to save as number 3. So you make sure you go to your correct folder. Alright, so I'm going to save at 3 because I already have 2. Alright. So don't worry about they say you have security warning. It's just they always do that for the database. You can ignore that. Alright, so we are going to do it right now. So there are tables, forms, and report. Okay. So first we're going to go to our forms. The first form we're going to do is client control form. So go to a form, go to client control form, and you're going to right click it. You're going to open this form as a design view. Okay. So we are going to go to the design view, open it right now. We're going to do several jobs. Okay. First of all, we're going to make the balance left align to here. Okay, maybe right align to, so they look nice. Okay, then here we're going to left align. Okay, and I'm going to right align to, and here right align to. All right, and next, the page is too long, you see, so let's make it all right align. Okay, that's good right now. So next, there's a button here called close. I'm going to move to the 6 inches here. Left edge 6 inches. Okay, that's good right now. Add the 3 inches right here. We're going to add a label. That's a label right here. So add a label. Click on the 3 inches right here. And we're going to add a label here. Sorry. That's a label. I'm going to add a label right here. And we're going to type human resources. All right, so we're done. Now we are going to save it. Then we can close this. Okay, we are going to move on to step 2. Step 2, we are going to the form 2. Okay, go to the consultant data form. All right, right click it. Also go to design view. Once we go to design view here, okay, so we these are these are the existing field. We're going to add another one. Okay, so we say add existing field. Okay, this field is reside. Okay, we got reside right now, so we're going to move the reside to here, and we're going to delete this one. Okay, all right. So the reside is right here right now. Make sure it's left aligned. Okay, so we are good right now. All right, so we're going to save it and we're going to close it. We are move on to the step 3 right now. We are going to open another form called static client form. Okay, static client form. That's this form. And we also need to open it in layout view. Okay, so let's go to layout view. Layout view. In the layout view here, and in the detail here, we have a 10 control. So select, hit the control key and select all 10. Oh, sorry. Select all 10. Alright, so all 10 control are select right now, and we are going to go to arrange. The arrange here, we're going to select stacked it. Okay, so that look much better right now. All right, so you going to save it and you're going to close it because we're going to move on to next one. Next one is number 4. Number 4, we're going to open the tabular project, and let's also go to layout view. Alright, so I do the same thing. I hit the first one and hit the control key. I select all 6 of these and I go to the arrange, and I want it to be tabular layout. Alright, so we are fine right now, so we're going to say save and we close it. Now we're going to try to create a form from table. So let's go to client table here. Okay, let's go create, and we're going to go to the form, but this one we're going to go to we're going to use a form wizard. So form wizard. All right, and we actually want to order all the fields. So click here, all field right now, or click next, columnar. Okay, next, and the name is going to go client entry. All right, client entry right now, and I'm going to save it, finish. All right, so my client entry is open right now. I'm going to go next step 6. I'm going to go to the layout view. I'm at layout view right now. And layout view here, and I am going to, okay, so client entry at the layout view. All right, so I am going to right align the text in the file label on the detail. So let me double check I'm at layout view. All right, so in the file label and the client entry form, let me see, client entry form and layout view. All right, so I'm here right now. So my client entry form is open at layout view right now. So I'm going to right align the text in the file label in detail. Okay, so let's do this right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go to format. Right align it. All right, so number 1, we right aligned it, and okay, I made a mistake. We talk about label, so go back for this one. Let me go back to left line. Okay, so it's this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we talk about 5 labels. Okay, and right align here. So right align and bold it. Okay, right align and bold it, and we're going to save it. We haven't finished yet. On this client entry form here, we're going to choose number 6. So number 6 right here, I got choose number 6. So this is number 6 right now. So I'm select number 6, 9, sorry, 9, number 9. So here. So I'm going to type number 9 here. All right, so I'm going to number 9. Okay, number 9. I'm at number 9 here. I want to change the balance here. Okay, so here the balance here. Okay, and I'm going to change these. Let me do these right now. And layout view. All right, and number 9. Okay, add a number 9 here, and I am going to change to my balance right here. All right, so in the balance I'm going to change it to, sorry, number 9 here. All right, and the balance here is going to change to 2500. Okay, 25,000. Then I'm going to do the next is I'm going to create new one. The new one will be 16, and the client name will be Intrazio, and the paid will be 25,000. Okay, so that will be step 8. So let's save it, and we are going to go different form. So I'm going to close it right now. So step 9, I'm going to a consultant salary. Consultant salary, okay? So it's right this form, and I'm going to go to the design view. At the design view here, first, I'm going to delete this label. Okay, so I'm going to delete that label. And I delete that label, and I am going to add the starting date field and below the salary. So I'm going to add existing field starting date. Okay, put the below salary right here. All right, so add the starting date to the below salary. Okay, in the text box. So let's do it right now. So I'm going to put right here my in here will be starting date. Change the salary label. Delete the add the starting date field to the form. All right. So I am going to come right here. Okay. Now the salary here need to change to current salary. Current salary, okay? And the consulting salary here want to have a space. Consulting salary, and also the salary in the footer here need to be underscored. So let's go format and underscore. All right, so we finish a consultant salary form. So we're going to file, save it, and close it. Don't forget to save all the time. We are going to go to the report right now. Okay, so basically we're going to create a report based on the country table. So let's go country table, and we're going to create a report. Okay, add this report right here. We got this right now, and we're going to save as country list. So we're going to save as, okay, so these, and so on the report right here, and save the report, right? So we're going to save this report. as we want to save as country list. Okay, country list report right now, and we are going to yeah, here. Then we save that. Then here we open here, and the country here, we're going to call this a country report. All right, so we finish right here. We have a country list report, and we are going to continue here. At the country list still report right now at our layout view. Okay, we're going to change the here to code and here to name only. Okay, so now we can finish this one right now. We're going to file, save it, and close it. We move on to step 12 right now. We're going to create another report based on consultant table. Let's go to consultant table. We're going to create a report, but this time we're going to use a report wizard. Okay, so I click on report wizard right here. Once I got the report wizard here, okay, so I wanted sorry, let me cancel. So I actually need to base on projects. So click here, and I'm going to go to report wizard. In the project here, I need description. I also need month. So two things I needed. Now I need to change another table right now. Another table is called consultant table. I only want to pick out one. I want the last name. So 3 fields only. Alright, so right here, then I need to continue right now. So next, I really want to view this by the consultant. Alright, so I wanted to view as a consultant. Next. And I really want to add the group as a last name. So last name, and you want to add as a group. Okay, so last name as your group. Then you need to continue right now. You need to say next, and you want to sort these. Now you want to sort by description, by ascending order. Okay, then you continue right now. You say I want to choose step-it, okay, and portrait. That's fine right now. Alright, then next, and you want to change the name to projects by consultant. By consultant. Alright, so now we finish right now, and we can do finish. Alright, so this is good right now. We save it, we close. Alright, so let's continue to consultant by project. So let's go to the project in layout view. So open the consultant by project. Oh, right here. That's a form, and we want to go to the layout view. Alright, so at the layout view here, we're going to open the property sheets. At the property sheets here, they open a lot more property I allowed you to fix. We want to fix a border style to transparent. We also want to fix and we want to change the font size of global consultant label. Okay, and the font size here, okay, and to 20. All right. Then we're going to file, save it. Then we can close it right now. Then we are going to go to client report. Go to client report, and we are going to go to design view. Once we are going to design view here, okay, and we are going to select all labels in the page header section, okay, in the page header section. So we're going to hold control key. All right, so I have all these right now. I'm going to go to arrange. No, sorry, page layout. Sorry. I am going to right here. I am going to go to arrange. Okay, and arrange here. And so let me see. Design. Okay, so I'm going to report design here. Select group. Add a group here. Select group, and I add the group. And that group is going to group by, all right, so here we're going to group by client ID. So we group by client ID right now. So that we group by client ID. And all the group has to be bolded. So let's go back to format and bold it. All right, so we are fine right now. And we are going to file, save it, and close it. And next, we're going to go to consultant report. Consultant report. We're going to go to design view. At the design view here, we're going to pick out salary. All right. As salary here, we're going to format it by conditional format. We're going to create a rule, new rule. And this rule will be equal to 71,000. If you are equal to 71,000, we're going to make to red color, okay, and bold it, okay, and you can say okay, and apply and okay. Then if you go to the report view, you will see 71,000 is bolded and in color, okay, in red color. We click on that, and let's continue on design view. Sorry, let's continue on design view. We haven't finished yet. Then on the design view here, we are going to go to our header, consultant salary head here, the font. The font. We want the font to be dark blue. So we got dark blue right now. All right, so now we can save it and close it right now. All right, now we're going to move on to next next form. It's called consultant starting date. Consultant starting date. We're going to go to design view. So design view. At the design view here, number one is the width is going to be 6.5. So right here, 6.5. Okay, so we're going to move to the 6.5 mark. Then the label at the form header here, that's here. Okay, we wanted to go to the format, and we just want to change the background color. So background color, want to change to the light blue too. That light blue too. Okay, so we got that right now. So we got light blue too, and we're going to consultant starting day label here. Consulting starting day label here. All right, so we are going to change the font, okay, to Georgia. Okay, so right here, let's go to here and type Georgia. Press enter. So that's Georgia right now. And I really wanted to Georgia to to start the day. So what I want to the here the same font and go to starting day. So I am going to go to home and I click on this format pen and sorry, I click on this format painter and I'm going to select the format painter and select this. So they will be on the same format right now. Okay, and that's our consultant starting day. Okay, so I'm going to file, save, and close it. Next, I'm going to go to project landscape. I'm in step 18 right now. Project landscape. And I'm going to go to the layout view. At the layout view here, all right, at the layout view here, so I am going to change the report to portrait. So go to the page setup, go to let me see, open the consultant project landscape right here, project landscape report. All right, so we're going to change the scheme. So sorry, page layout and the scheme here, okay, and go to the font scheme here. I want to go to Georgia, but make sure you say apply for the font scheme to this only. All right, then you are going to save this and close. Next, we're going to step 19, consultant reciting consulting reciting report. Right here, consultant reciting report. We're going to go to the layout view. At the layout view here, we are going to do this. First, the layout is portrait. So we want to go to portrait. Okay. Next, the reciting here, including this guy, need to move between consultant ID and last name. So move between here right now. So we move here. Then we are going to file, save, and close it. We're going to move to the step 20. We're going to go to client fee form. Client fee form. Right click it. We're going to go to the design view. At the design view here, number one, we're going to select that one and select this one. Both of them, these two label is going to delete it. We delete it right now. All right. So at the control here, we're going to remove the layout. So we're going to remove the layout from the control. So we select all these. All right. So then we're going to form this format right here, arrange right here, and we remove layout. Then we are going to go back to form design here. We're going to apply the office. Office. That's office. But make sure apply the theme to these objects only. Then we finish with file, save it, and we close. So that's your that complete this project. I hope you learned something from this project.